Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by checking Essentials. Your OnePlus is updated and TVS Connect is installed. Open Settings, then Apps, and find TVS Connect. This is where you act. Tap Battery or Battery Optimization immediately because changing from default prevents the system from killing background sync. Once done, choose Don't Optimize or allow background activity to keep the connection steady. You do this now to avoid interrupted casting or notification delays. Don't skip it. Next, go deeper. In the Battery menu, open Battery Optimization or Background Running. Switch the view to All Apps, scroll to TVS Connect, and tap it. Choose Don't Optimize or allow background activity so the app can run freely. If OnePlus shows an auto start or special access prompt, enable it to let TVS Connect restart when needed. This prevents aggressive killing by Oxygen OS, so notifications and device discovery work reliably. Finish by restarting your OnePlus to apply the new settings, then open TVS Connect and confirm it stays active in the background. Test casting or device discovery right away because real use reveals lingering restrictions. If something fails, clear the app cache, reinstall TVS Connect, and repeat the Don't Optimize step. Sometimes the setting doesn't stick. One key troubleshooting tip: check battery saver profiles and reset them, because a profile can re-enable
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.